Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Huawei Watch D2 versus Apple Watch Series 10 comparison. As you can see, we're only looking at the differences over here. Uh, Huawei Watch D2, it supports Android and iOS. The strap material for one is leather and second one is silicone. And then as you can see, release date, both of them are around the same time. And then these are the this one is made of aluminum alloy, this one is made of aluminium. The watch D2 is slightly bigger than the series 10, and then the sensor, you can see these things are different. While I would argue that Apple's is slightly better, things like that. And then this one does have emergency calling and emergency SOS, things like that. So I would say overall, this one is the better option, Apple Watch, but it obviously depends on what you're going for and what your preferences is. But overall, if you have to go for one, I would go for the Apple one. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.